Hello! To custom Edge Lightning style on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll have to go into the Galaxy Store and find this application called GoodLock. Simply you'll have to install it and then open it, and you'll have to find in this plugins list, you'll have to find for the Edge Lightning Plus somewhere right here in this plugins list. And simply download it and go in here, wait for this Edge Lightning Plus plugin to load in, and you'll be able to continue. Alright, and from here we have to first enable this Edge Lightning Plus, and as we enable it, here we can now set custom style. So let's go in here, and you have a lot of different styles available, a lot of different effects, and for example, right here we have the snowflakes falling, we have the rain, here we have the leaves. We can also find some flowers. As you can see, here we can add more effects by pressing this plus icon, more icons actually, more images, as you can see. So I want to select these leaves right here, and what we can do next is we can go to the color, and as we enable the color interwork option right here, we can set up some colors for these icons. As you can see, it basically just leaves the shape of these images. Let me just quickly show you. Let's select the flower. Let's enable this color interwork, and as you can see, here we have the shape, but like it changes the color. So yeah, we can enable the interwork to change the color, and here are also some advanced settings. And right now we can change an effects of these images, as you can see, of how they are appearing. Let me show you. We can set up, for example, the leaves for falling like the rain. Here we have the clouds, stars, and a lot of different options, as you can see. And for each of these effects we can change the values of the rotation. So let's select the strong rotation. They probably should rotate pretty fast. Yeah, as you can see, we can change the amount for very few, for example, so not a lot of particles are available. We can set up the period, and for example also the size. Let's set up the large size, and as you can see, that's basically how to set up these custom Edge Lightning right here. You can set up it like this. It's pretty simple, and you simply now you can enable this function to set custom style. And yeah, that's how to do it. And as you are being notified right now, here you have this custom Edge Lightning right here available. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.